How to recover deleted messages on Instagram. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step is to open up your Instagram app, and from here, click on your profile icon at the bottom right and tap on the 3-bar line at the top right. From here, we are going to tap on Account Center at the top. Scroll down a bit and tap on your information and permissions. Okay, this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. From here, we are going to tap on Export Your Information and tap on Create Export. Select the Instagram account you want to recover the deleted messages from and tap on Export to Device. Now, if you miss this next part, you'll have to start over. Scroll down and we go to Customize Information. And at the top right, you can see the Clear All button. Tap on that and we would only have to select the messages option right here. So check that and clear everything else like this so that it will export your file much faster, and click on Save at the bottom. For the date range, you can change that as well. If it has been recently deleted, you can go to the fewer date ranges right here. Tap on Save at the bottom again. You can also change the quality and keep the format the same like that, and tap on Start Export at the very bottom. You will then have to re-enter your password. It will then notify you through email once your exported data is ready, and once it is ready, you can go back to Account Center, Your Information and Permissions, and go to Export Your Information again. Now, if you miss this next part, you'll have to start over. And on this page, you should be able to see the file that you can download. So tap on Download and download once again, and this will be the file that would have your deleted messages. Tap on Download and go to the download section in Safari and select the specific zip file that you just downloaded, and it will redirect you to the Files app within your iPhone. And on the zip file, just simply tap on it to extract it in a folder. And again, this is still an important part, so keep on watching. Open up that folder and open the Your Instagram Activity folder. And from here, you should have the Messages folder. Go to Inbox right here, and you will then see folders according to the people that you have messaged on Instagram. Open up a specific folder, and you can then read through the messages. That is how you basically recover deleted messages on Instagram.